How to get unblocked from Western Union money transfer. You can do many things to get unblocked, but I think you should contact customer service. You can find the contact information on the Western Union website. If the block is due to identity verification or security concerns, be prepared to provide valid identification. These may include a government-issued ID, proof of address, and other relevant documents. Clearly explain the situation to the customer service representative. Ensure that your transactions are suitable with Western Union's terms and conditions. Wait for a confirmation. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.